Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi AC at home. This clever method uses evaporative cooling, which is incredibly effective in dry climates. The basic idea is to pass air over a cold surface, like ice or chilled water, to significantly lower its temperature. It's a simple, budget-friendly solution that can make a noticeable difference in your comfort, especially during warm weather. Let's get started on building your own cooling system. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a sturdy container, perhaps a 20-liter plastic bucket or a foam cooler, which will hold your cooling elements. Next, find a small, portable fan. A 6-inch to 8-inch desk fan works perfectly. Crucially, you'll need several plastic bottles filled with water and frozen solid. Finally, grab a small PVC elbow or a short piece of pipe to direct the cool air. Now, for the assembly. Begin by carefully cutting 2 holes in the container's lid, one for your fan and another for the air outlet pipe. Make sure the fan hole is snug. Next, place your frozen water bottles inside the container. Position the fan so it blows air directly over these ice-cold bottles. Finally, insert and secure the PVC elbow or pipe into its designated hole, ensuring it points where you want the cool air to go. With your Desi AC assembled, it's time to enjoy the cool air. Simply turn on the fan, and it will begin circulating chilled air throughout your room. For continuous cooling, remember to replace the frozen water bottles every 3 to 4 hours as they melt. This simple system can effectively lower the ambient temperature by several degrees Celsius, providing a refreshing escape from the heat. Enjoy your homemade cooling solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.